Nature loves company. It's true, planting different crops together can be magical. It's like a friendly helping hand in the garden. This is called companion planting. It's a tale as old as time, used by gardeners for centuries. Companion planting has many benefits. Some plants repel pests, protecting their neighbors. Others attract beneficial insects, like bees for pollination. They can even improve soil health and increase yields. It's all about working with nature, not against it. The idea is simple. Choose plants that complement each other. They grow in harmony, sharing resources and offering mutual benefits. Imagine a garden where plants thrive, pests are kept at bay, and harvests are bountiful. Potatoes and peppers are a match made in garden heaven. They are perfect companion plants, offering a range of benefits to each other. Growing them together is a recipe for a happy and productive garden. But why this pairing, you ask? Potatoes, with their sprawling growth, act as a living mulch for pepper plants. They shade the soil, keeping it cool and moist, which peppers love. In return, peppers, with their strong scent, deter pests that might trouble potatoes. This partnership goes beyond pest control. Peppers, being heavy feeders, benefit from the loose soil that potatoes prefer. And as a bonus, growing them together saves space, maximizing your garden's potential. It's a win-win situation for both plants and the gardener. Both potatoes and peppers need sunlight and well-drained soil to thrive. However, their individual preferences differ slightly, making their companionship even more beneficial. Potatoes prefer slightly acidic soil and thrive in cool, moist conditions. They need ample space for their roots to spread and tubers to develop. Peppers, on the other hand, love warmth and sunshine. They prefer slightly alkaline soil and need consistent moisture, especially during fruiting. Understanding these individual needs is key to successfully growing them together. By providing the right conditions for both, you can ensure a healthy and abundant harvest. Planting potatoes and peppers together is easy and rewarding. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, prepare your bed. Choose a sunny spot and prepare the soil with compost. Next, plant potatoes. Sow seed potatoes 4 to 6 inches deep, spaced about 12 inches apart. Then, plant peppers. Once potato plants are about 6 inches tall, plant pepper seedlings between them, maintaining a distance of 18 to 24 inches. Water consistently. Keep the soil moist, especially during dry periods. Mulch generously. Apply a thick layer of mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Finally, harvest time. Enjoy a bountiful harvest of potatoes and peppers. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the magic of companion planting and reap the rewards of a thriving and productive garden. Happy gardening.